So I've now got 81 minutes played in Arena Breakout Infinite, and I have literally played the tutorial and one game, one match, the introduction match that it sort of automatically puts you into. I have spent time sorting my storage repeatedly, and I've spent 60 something minutes in queue, and I have not got another match yet. And I can't go to the gunsmith because it's locked until level 3. I can't buy the battle pass because it unlocks at level 6. I can't chat and ask for anyone else because player level too low. I can't recruit anybody because my player level's too low. So, like, I'm stuck. This is a dead game to me. You can't do anything because, I mean, I don't know what these mean. What does this mean to a player that's played one match and the tutorial? Nothing. I've not been in a team. You've not introduced me to it. What does this mean? Is this like group loot or round robin? What are you on about? This is enabled. Teammates who assisted them granted loot priority for 30 seconds. What do you mean? So you get stuff, but some random walking around doesn't get it. I don't get it. I don't care. Do I care about loot priority? Don't think I do. What does show outfit do? Don't know. Low ping preference? Yes or no? May increase matchmaking time. Well, I don't want that, do I, since I've not got a match? What does auto match do? You know, I joined this to get a mission. I thought I'd start the mission, and I didn't get anything. Um, like I'm back here. This just says matching, and then certain things bring you back to this page, and you don't know what's happening. So, all in all, for a brand new player, it's a real bust of an experience. Like, you cannot do anything. Um, Not everything's been explained. Not everything's come on. I mean, I can go tutorial. Does it take me back through a tutorial? These are like videos. So I can't play that tutorial again and go through that initial level again. And this still says matching. I mean, I don't quite understand what this is. Is this the time of day that that op is taking place at? What does this exchange icon mean? I mean, if I click all of these, do I go out of queue? What's this? It doesn't mean a thing. So I've got 150,000 in. I've got 200, so 2.6 million. Is that what that means? It's just not clear. What's this? Limit. Limits. Limits of what? Limit yellow, limit purple, limit green. Info. 5 basic. It doesn't say. Yeah, why would I as a new player press any of these buttons when I can't get in a match? Still matching, still nothing going on. And I've googled around, and it can be that matches, people don't have matches after 20 minutes. I've experienced that. There's just Russians speaking here. This is just Cyrillic text. Go, 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 go. I agree, Mitch man, but go where? I mean, if I click create a team, what does it do? I don't know anybody, so I can't create a team. See, I don't know what any of these are. I've not played enough to know what any of this means. So I'm just solo queue and stuck. So, yeah, real bust of inexperience of me. I'll leave it there.